Hi and welcome to Hydrogen Storage Fundamentals. I'm excited to have you here. In this course, we'll explore one of the most important aspects of the hydrogen economy: how we store hydrogen efficiently and safely as the world shifts toward clean energy. Hydrogen is playing a growing role in powering transportation, industry, and even our homes. But storing hydrogen is not as straightforward as it sounds. And that's exactly what this course is all about. We'll begin by looking at carbonaceous materials and glass microspheres, then move into liquid and pressurized hydrogen storage methods. We'll also take a close look at hydrogen carriers, metal organic frameworks, and other cutting-edge storage materials being researched and developed today. Whether you're new to hydrogen technologies or looking to build on existing knowledge, this course will give you a clear, practical foundation in how hydrogen storage works and why it matters for the future of clean energy. Let's get started. So now a little bit about me. I am an experienced electrical engineer who has worn many hats, holding key roles in projects, engineering, planning, operations, asset management, maintenance, and field resources development. I design and pioneer engineering solutions to propel the utility industry forward. My passion within the industry has also driven me to develop educational materials for the new generation of utility professionals. The knowledge I teach is not only based on my own experience within the power utility industry, but also on knowledge gaps identified by other professionals in the field. Learning from me will provide you with the comprehensive fundamental knowledge you need to kickstart your professional career in the utility industry. This course will help you understand the science behind hydrogen storage and explain why it plays a critical role in building a clean energy future. You will learn how materials like carbonaceous substances and glass microspheres are used to store hydrogen effectively. We will also cover the important role of liquid hydrogen carriers and pressurized gas storage technologies in making hydrogen practical for everyday use. You will get a clear explanation of what hydrogen carriers are and how they help transport energy safely and efficiently. The course introduces different hydrogen storage materials and explores their unique properties. Finally, you will discover cutting-edge innovations such as metal organic frameworks MOFs and their promising potential to transform hydrogen storage systems. This course is designed for students and professionals working in renewable energy, chemical engineering, or environmental science who want to deepen their understanding of hydrogen storage. It is also ideal for anyone interested in learning how hydrogen plays a role in the future of clean energy. Technical teams and policy professionals exploring hydrogen deployment will find valuable insights to support their work. Additionally, curious learners who want to grasp the challenges and breakthroughs in hydrogen storage will benefit from this course.